One of the problems that the cable industry faces is the fact that you're dependent on a certain kind of manpower, and as a result of which shrinkage is high. Essentially, a lot of the collections don't happen on time. If they happen on time, a large amount of the money may not end up reaching us, and a lot of other problems. As a result of this, month on month in Bangalore operations, we were unable to achieve our collection targets. One fine day, there was a thought, that if we're not able to change this through the collection agents or through the field team, why don't all of us take charge? So a whole bunch of us at HO were selected to form the Force 10 team. Each of us was given a network to handle, and we became the owners of that network. Essentially what that meant was that we were responsible for the health of that network. Over a course of 3 to 4 months, what happened was each one of us was on field with our respective collection agent, technician, and the help of the BDM of that area. We visited every single customer in that network, understood their problems, understood what billing issues were there, also recognized the collection patterns in that particular network, figured out if there were any hidden points, if there were any differences in the amount collected and actually paid back to us as a company, and we've sort of cleaned out the networks. And as a result of which the health of the network improved, overall collections improved. It was a pleasant surprise for a lot of customers to interact with us, to get to know, what we were doing. They'd never ever imagined meeting people from a cable company who had this kind of a perspective. And almost all of the networks have moved on in a positive direction. One of the other big things that this exercise did to us as an organization, apart from a collection perspective or a cleaning out network perspective, was it made the voice of the customer heard. A whole lot of people from the head office and the regional office suddenly started interacting with hundreds of consumers, and they actually heard the consumer's voice, which gave us a lot of indicators in terms of the health of the business, what we must do to get our act right, etc., etc. So I think it's been a fantastic exercise, and all of us at Force 10 loved being part of it.